Alright, good morning, it's Will, just in time. We're going to be here with another OBS tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to get rid of, if you look right here where my finger's coming down, right there, see those little glowies right there in your green screen? I'm going to show you how you get rid of those. Simply, I'm facing my green screen versus the first video we did, okay? And so, in order to get those glowies out, you have to go into your camera down here. Click on, right click on your camera right here. And then simply go up to filters. Click on that. Now, if you're in OBS for the first time, come up here in the very left-hand corner, which you can't see, but it's the window. Most people know how to grab that corner and make that picture just a little bit smaller, okay? And then grab it and pull it up a little bit so that you got this little button down here in the corners, okay? That way you can see it. So when you first start up in OBS, you'll go over here to the plus screen and you'll click that plus button, and the first thing you want to do is go up and hit that chroma key right there. It says chroma key, and you click on that, and as soon as you do that, then this here box will disappear and the chroma key will be right here. Okay, so if you click on that chroma key, you'll see that right over here you have a bunch of a drop down box. I'm just going to move the camera over a little bit for you guys to see it. You'll see right here it says similarity. Up here at the very top it says the key color. If you drop that open, you'll see, try to get it to drop open for you guys. Well, it's not going to drop open because I already have green in there. But if you want to change it, then you'll just simply, it'll drop down. It'll say green, black, or blue. And I use green because it's the best for the kind of clothes and stuff I wear. And so we are going to go down here to the next one. It's similarity. So if you grab that right here, grab it, push down on the left button, hold it. Oh, there you go. See right there, that's your green. Drop down green, blue, magenta, or custom. That's in your drop down box. Okay, then you come down here. See this little thing here? That's what you grab a hold of, and you can take it back. See how now it's a green screen? I don't know if you guys can. It'll be black, I think, in the camera. But you can pull it over and it becomes gray, and you'll do glowies in my head, see, but you just kind of play with it until all the glowies are gone. And it may take some practice at first, but you'll get the hang of it. And you just kind of move it back and forth. This next one is smoothness. You can play that over, but if you'll look, see, so I have mine. Yeah, I just keep playing back and forth with them. And every computer's different. So this is your color key, spoil effects, and see what happens if I pull it over. The image actually goes black and white. So you want to just come over and keep it fairly close to your right color. And then you got these keys down here you can see. One is the contrast, one is the brightness, and one is your hue and stuff like that. You just play with them until you get the picture sort of where you want it to be. See, I'm moving around so that you're getting that dead mark in my face up here. Well, what you can do is you just play with this top key basically, and you just play with it till you get it the best you can. Some days it works really good, some days not so good. It just depends on the facial stuff and whatnot. So when you get it all done and said, you come over here and you hit close. And when you hit close, that saves all the settings that you had changed in there. So there we go. It still shows I have right here a little bit of the green key left over here. Sometimes you just can't get it out. It will depend on how you set up the camera and stuff. See, I can move the camera. There it's gone, you know. You just kind of play with your laptop or your PC camera or whatever, and you get it so that everything's, I guess the easiest thing to say is perfect, okay? So now we have that chroma key set up, and you can see that I have, let's see, I can pull this up a little bit so you guys can see a little better of me. See, like that, you just, on laptops, that's what I'm using. You can tilt that screen back or forth, and that will show more or less of you. Or you could push whatever you have your camera on. You know, I have mine on a table. I can push my table farther away from where I'm at, and you could stand up and take up the whole green screen that way. There's just, after you get in there, you get everything set up, then you just kind of play around with it. Pretty simple stuff. So now I'm going to show you, today we're going to go over here, I'm going to show you, I have all my scenes in here on this side over here. Move the camera over for you, because we're done on that other side, so there we go. Now you see all these are my scenes, what they call scenes, and this side over here is like the little icons and stuff that I put in the screen right. Like right here, so the background there is the scene, okay? So see, I could change it to that one, and I still have all those little icons in there, you know. Go over here with the arrow. See, I have all this stuff in here. That comes from this list right here. So if you want to move, say I want to move, let's say we want to move that Patreon symbol right here. We just simply come down here, and when you see the Patreon, you unlock it, because every time you put one of those emblems in there and you get it where you want it, there's a lock on the side. You want to make sure you unlock it so that you can move it around. Watch when I click on it. The red box comes around it, and that means that it is now a movable object. So say I wanted to move that. See, I could move it, just click on it, hold down on the left button. I can move it over here by the subscribe button. And then as soon as I get it where I want it, I come back over here to the box, the sources box, and I go over it and I click that lock, and that locks it back in place. See, I can't click on it. I'm trying to click on it, but it will not click. So that's how easy all this stuff really is. It looks hard when you guys are watching it on the screen, but it's really not that hard. It actually is like anything else. It just takes practice. You sit in there and you set everything up, and you do it before you go live. I'm going to show you how to do that here in a couple of minutes. And you just move the stuff around, and you are the choreographer to speak of, so you would actually put it wherever you want, and then that's where the people will see it. As you can see, the screen, the background in the screen is moving. Any of you guys that have seen my green screen stuff, if you look all the way up here, you can't, I'm not sure you can see it in the video, but all the way at the top, the sky is moving, and so that is why you're seeing all the movement right here. And the reason for that is over here in my scene, when you go in and grab stuff, and I'm going to cover that in another video, when you go to grab the images and the video clips and whatnot, you will, some of them will be animated and some won't. Now, it will depend on what system that you're running as to how much of that stuff that you can actually grab and use. Say you want to grab a video clip or something like that. I'm going to show you right here. Excuse me. You go over here to, let's see, dock. that's what I have. I named it dock. So you come over here and you just like, I think it's double click or right click, and then you go up to, let's see, make sure I get this right for you guys. Yeah, it's not going to be right. You're going to come over here to camera, excuse me. See right here, I moved over to the sources window. And you right click on that, or wait a minute, let me get out of it. You right click on, double click on that, and you'll come up with this right here. And when you bring the image over, the best thing to do is just be to show you. I'm going to go over here, I'm going to add. Go over here to the sources. Scenes, and click on add. You put in whatever you want right there. Remember I taught you how to do that? Click OK. And you're going to come up like this. Now we're going to add let's see, we're going to add a media source. See that right there? That means you're going to grab a video. So grab media source. And let's see. Let's go down here and we'll grab this one right here. Remember, we'd always thank the troops when we come on, right? So, click that. And you can go outside there and get whatever you want. That will be covered in another video. Click OK. And boom, you have your flag up there waving in the wind, okay? And then all you simply do is go down here to the plus, click it. And for me, I just go up here to image because I have a bunch of stuff already pre-selected for in there. And if you were going to get new, you would go to create new. You would go and you would get your Facebook or your Patreon image, and you can just simply do that by going into your browser bar down in the corner here, or wherever your browser bar is, and click in copyright free or free images or video clips. And when you put that in the search bar, it pops up and you can go find whatever you want to put into your scenes. And that's how I get mine. But for today, we're going to go to add existing. And I'm going to go down here to like and share. That's what I have it set up for. You name each one yourself. And that, see how it pops up real big? You just simply resize it by grabbing the corner, just like you do the images I showed you yesterday, or in the last video I should say. And you just simply resize it to wherever you want, and you place it anywhere you want in the screen, okay? Same thing, you go back, you do it again, image. You grab a new one if you want, because you guys are just starting out. Pretty soon you will have a list like this of existing ones, and you just simply click that second box. And you would go down and you would find something like this one here. Facebook is right there. Comes up huge like that. Always comes, they all come up huge, and you just resize them. Like that. And I usually try to separate them a little bit like that. Make sure that you're putting them somewhere where you can see them, where the subscribers that are watching can see you. You simply go get another one. That was Facebook there. So we're going to go down here and we're going to get, there's my PayPal one. I can grab that. You grab that like that. Bring it down. Resize it because you don't really want it that big. Not for your subscribers because they're going to be looking at a full screen. So I usually put this down here somewhere. And I'll go back and I'll see right here. I'll go back and I'll lock all those in place, and that so that they won't move around when I'm setting up everything. Now we're going to go over here to this next box, and this is your mixer actually. And that's where everybody can see or hear what's going on. Now, right there where my arrow is, that is the mic auxiliary. So if you bring in, that's how you guys are hearing me. And if you actually look, this would slide up. See, I have it turned off, so I'm going to turn it back on. Now you can see I'm talking. You want to make sure that when you're setting it up, you grab this thing and you pull it back a little bit while you're talking, and you make sure that that's not bouncing into the red. See how I've got it there? Now, if your voice, because everybody's voice is different, is going to sound perfect to your audience. So this one here is, see what it says on there? It says troop support, and that's for the video. So if your video that you bring in has sound in the background, bring that all the way over and so that they can't hear that background noise. Otherwise, your subscribers will start saying, I can't hear you because all I hear is water, or I can't hear you because all I hear is the flag flapping in the wind or whatever. So that's what you do. If you don't want to talk, you can just simply turn your microphone off by clicking that little speaker, and then you could bring up this sound here, which would be the flapping of the flag or the running of the water or whatever, you know, just to make sure that everything is going right. So I hope you guys kind of understand that. It's all in how you do it. And so we're 16 minutes in. We're going to call this tutorial 2 of OBS. I hope you guys got something out of it. Get in there and play around. Make sure that you're getting the hang of it. Tomorrow or next day we'll do another tutorial. We'll show you how to bring the images or the video clips in. I'll show you some more about how you start streaming, how you can do some other stuff in there too. So this is just this bit of it, and we're gonna keep on going. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hope I took my time and told you guys how to do it in a clear and efficient manner. So you guys know I want you guys to have fun out there, learn how to do all the stuff that I've learned over the last couple of years for YouTube live streams. You can also record in this, and I'm going to be showing that to you guys in another video. So until then, it's God bless you, God bless me, God bless USA. Thanks, you guys. I'll see you out there next time.